the leagues and everything.
I was so surprised, you know. I played 2 years in Emirat, and I know the Iranian football, and have very good players, and also the league it's very strong. It's you have maybe 12 team. It's the same level. So every game it's very difficult. Also, you don't have one easily game in the league. So the level here is it's very difficult, and also the football here it's very
Iran, since your contract will be finished, so would you prefer to stay in Saba or to be transferred to other team?
You know, I don't know. I want to see what's happened now when you finish the season. I want to see, you know, to how the situation of the club. Also about Ali Dai, if he want to bring me in another club. Yeah, I want to see, listen some offers, you know. And if I stay here, I was very happy to stay here.
Reports or any sense?
Of course, in the game I just speak in Farsi, you know. Omat, Betiar, Chap, Rast, Borobalon, Borobain, like that, you know. You must talk to